Newport Youth and Play Service offer both play clubs and youth clubs across the city of Newport to young people ages 5 to 24. Youth clubs are run by a team of qualified staff. They run in local communities and are available for all young people aged 10 and above. You will need to complete a registration form for your child to attend. Clubs are open to all young people and aim to provide opportunities to support their emotional and social development, as well as the opportunity to try new experiences. We provide a range of opportunities and activities such as sports, cooking, games, arts and crafts, and much more. As well as participating in activities, young people can chat with youth workers to gain support and guidance. Youth workers will run a program of informal and formal learning sessions during the youth club on issues and topics that are important to young people. This could include homelessness, sexual health, etc. Young people's opinions are at the heart of how the clubs are run, and they can share their views and ideas not only on what activities take part in club, but how young people can shape the wider service.